Welcome to the informative iPhone 14 Plus, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone and the power up button on the left side of our device. So just let's press them together in one click. Tap here not now. Once again. And here we can see the power off menu now. Just to turn off our device, we should slide this dot to power off to the right side. Just wait a second, and now we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.